Now let's begin the solution to exercise 4, which I believe you have tried. So here we are just going to solve it together. We have three vectors: a 2 1, b minus 2 minus 4, and c 3 minus 1. So let's begin with question 1. We have 3 into 2a plus b. Now we can resolve this in any way possible. We can choose to multiply the bracket by 3, and this will give us 6a plus 3b, and then we simplify this. Or we solve everything we have in the bracket first and then perform the scalar multiplication with this. So whichever way is possible, we'll solve it the two ways, and then we'll see if the answers are equal, but they will be equal. So let's begin. 3 multiplied by 2a plus b. So let's substitute our values. So 2 multiplied by a, our a here is 2 1, and our b is minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 and 4. All right, so let's simplify now. This is scalar multiplication. Okay, this is scalar multiplication, and when we resolve that, we'll have 4. That's 2 times 2 multiplied by 2 by 1. 4 multiplied by 2, that's 4 by 2, and we'll have minus 2 and 4. All right, so moving on, we'll add these two terms together, numerator x as x and the y components. So that will give us 3 into 4 plus minus 2, and 2 into 2 plus 4. Okay, and this will result into 2 into 2, 6. And then when we multiply this by 3, the resulting answer will be 6 and 18. 6, 18. So this is our answer to 3 into 2a plus b. Now the alternative method is when we have 3 into 2a plus b, we open up the brackets, and this will give us 6a plus 3b. So let's solve with substituting the component vectors. The vector a is 2 1, the vector b is minus 2 and 4. So when we simplify the multiplication here, okay, let's just move back to the next line. When we simplify the multiplication, we will have 12 and 6. Likewise, we will have minus 6, okay, and 12. So now it's time for the addition. So the addition will become 12 plus minus 6, okay, that's for the x component, and the y component will become 6 plus 12. So this will result into 6, because 12 plus minus 6 is equal to 6, and likewise 6 plus 12 is equals to 18. Now we can see that both answers are equal. So we are able to solve question 1 in two ways. Let's move on to question 2. Question 2 says we should simplify 6a minus c. 6a minus c. 6a minus c. We know that our a, okay, is 2 1. However, our c is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So we multiply out the scalar multiplication of 6 by 2 1, and this will give us 12 6. Okay, and we are subtracting 3 minus 1 from it. So the resulting for this y subtraction is 12 minus 3, and this will become 6 minus minus 1. And 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. 6 minus minus 1, that's 6 plus 1, which is equals to 7. So 6a minus c is equals to 9 7. Let's move to question 3. The question 3, we are asked to evaluate minus 2 into 3b minus 2a. Question 3, minus 2 into 3b minus 2a. Minus 2 into 3b minus 2a. Now what is our b? Okay, and we have to choose how we can simplify. I think when we simplify using this format, when we open up the brackets, it's more easier. So let's open up the brackets. So that will give us minus 6b, okay, and this will give us plus 4a, minus 6 and plus 4a. All right, so let's substitute our vectors. So our b now is what? Our b is minus 2, 4, and our a is 2, 1. Minus 2 and 4, and our a is 2, 1. So moving on, we perform the scalar multiplication here, and this results into, let's see, minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 and minus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 4 into 2, 1, and this results into 12 and minus 24 plus 4. Okay, we have to perform our scalar multiplication for this, and this will become 4 multiplied by 2 and also 4 multiplied by 1, and this will result into 8, 4. Okay, 8, 4. So simplifying this now, we have 12 plus 8, that's having our addition to it, and minus 24 plus 4, and this will result into 20, okay, and 20, minus 20. So we have simplified question 3 to give us 20 minus 20. And finally, let's move on to question 4. Question 4 says we should simplify 2b plus 3c minus 4a. We have 2b plus 3c minus 4a. Okay, so we have to substitute our values of b. Our vector b is minus 2, 4. Our vector c, okay, is 3, 1, 3 minus 1, and our vector a is 2, 1, as we're saying here, 4 into 2, 1. Okay, so we have 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 4, and 3, minus 1. So let's solve now. So we open up the brackets with scalar multiplication process, and this will result into minus 4, 8, okay, and we will have 9 minus 3, and finally we will have 8 minus 8, 4, 8, 4. So let's now perform the addition and subtraction operation combined, and the numerator, or the x component rather, is minus 4 plus 9 minus 8, and the y component is 8 plus minus 3 and minus 4. So let's simplify. Minus 4 plus 9 minus 8 is equals to minus 3, and 8 minus 3 minus 4 is equals to 1. So we have found the solution to 2b plus 3c minus 4a, and we have minus 3 and 1. Now we can see that we are able to solve this exercise, and in our next lesson we'll take at something entirely different.